Small claims. After the judgment is paid. After the judgment in a small claims case has been paid or satisfied, certain steps need to be taken to close the case with the court. Once the judgment is paid, the judgment creditor must complete the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment, Form SC-290, and file it with the court. Or, the judgment creditor can sign and file the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment on the back of the Notice of Entry of Judgment, Form SC-130. If a property lien was filed, use Form EJ-100 to acknowledge the satisfaction of the judgment. The creditor should complete page 1 of the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment, Form SC-290. Do not use this form if property liens were filed. Instructions for the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment, Form SC-290, can be found on page 2. If no liens were filed in the case, then the judgment creditor can also sign the bottom of the Notice of Entry of Judgment, Form SC-130, and file it with the court to acknowledge satisfaction of the judgment. The judgment creditor must file the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction within 14 days from when the judgment debtor requests it. If the creditor does not, then the creditor may have to pay the judgment debtor damages and a penalty. Removing property liens. The judgment creditor must remove any liens that the creditor placed on the debtor's real and personal property. To remove a real property lien, use the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment, Form EJ-100, and have it notarized before filing it with the court. Then, record a certified copy with the county clerk recorder in each county where the liens were placed. Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment, Form EJ-100. Use this form to acknowledge satisfaction of judgment if there are property liens. What can you, the judgment debtor, do if you paid the creditor but they have not filed a satisfaction of judgment? If you have proof of your payment, then complete a small claims declaration and order of satisfaction of judgment, Form L-1070, and file it at the court along with your proof of payment. If the proof is satisfactory, then the court clerk can enter the satisfaction of entry of judgment. What can you, the judgment debtor, do if you paid the judgment creditor but you do not have proof of payment or your proof was not satisfactory? If you do not have proof of payment or your proof was not satisfactory, complete page 1 of Form SC-105 and ask the court to enter an Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment. There may be a hearing. If the court is convinced you paid, then the court will enter the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment. The judgment creditor can respond to your request for a court order on page 2 of Form SC-105. Once the judgment has been satisfied, then you can update your credit report. You will need to get 3 certified copies of the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment, Form SC-290 or Form EJ-100 from the court. Then you will need to mail the certified copies to the 3 major credit reporting agencies: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can check your credit report at annualcreditreport.com. Once the Acknowledgement of Satisfaction of Judgment is filed, your case is finished. Congratulations! For more information, contact the Orange County Small Claims Advisory.